Hello, everyone. It is Teacher Sarah, and today we are going to read Andres Needs Gas. Andres has many places to go today. Let's see, gas station, mall, bank, coffee shop, mall, grocery store, library, grocery store, and gas station. He takes his car. He drives to the gas station. He puts gas in the car. He drives his wife to the mall. He drives back home. Andres drives to the bank. He drives to the coffee shop. He goes back home. He picks up his wife at the mall. He takes her home. Andres drives his wife to the grocery store. He drives to the library. He goes back home. Andres picks up his wife at the grocery store. He takes her home. Andres drives to the gas station. He puts more gas in the car. That is the end. Thank you for watching.